Hi everybody, welcome back to another lab of CCNA. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assign a static IP address to your Cisco switch. So I took for this lab one Cisco switch and one desktop PC. To configure the static IP address for your Cisco switch, what you have to do, first thing first, you have to type the following commands: interface VLAN 100. Then I will assign IP address 192.168.254, then subnet mask. We have set up an IP address on the interface VLAN 100. How to check this? Type the command do show IP interface brief. If you go down here, you will see I have assigned a VLAN 100 and IP address this. So now we have already assigned the IP address to interface VLAN 100. The next thing is we have to assign a IP address to our this computer as well from the same subnet. So for this purpose, I'm not going to assign a static IP address. I will configure DHCP pool on this so that this PC can acquire the IP address from this switch so that this PC can reachable to this switch. To configure the DHCP, the commands are very simple. All you have to do is type IP DHCP pool, name it ABC network 192.168.1.0, and default router we will assign the our switch IP. Now we have to assign a port which is connecting our PC to be a member of this VLAN. So to do so, again config the interface fast ethernet 0/1 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 100. And now as you can see, the line protocol on interface VLAN 100 changed state to up. Before we saw the protocol was down. If we see again show IP interface brief, here you can see now the line protocol is up and status is also up. Now we have to see on PC that either my PC got the IP address or no. So we will double click on this PC, then we will go to the desktop, then IP configuration, and here by default IP configuration is static. All you need to do is just check the DHCP and within a second you will get the IP address. Now my PC IP address is 192.168.1.1, which is the pool which we have just defined over the Cisco switch. Now if we open command prompt and here I try to ping 192.168.1.254. What is 254 here? 254 is my switch IP address. So I will press enter. As you can see, I am reachable to the switch.
To make sure our telnet connectivity is okay, first we will enable the telnet configuration on our Cisco switch and then we will try to access the switch from our PC. Now we will go to the PC, we will open the telnet settings and then we will try to access the switch. Here we have to select telnet. By default it's SSH. We have to type the IP and here you go. It's asking for the password. We will just simply enter the password and we'll easily access the switch. So that's it for today. See you in the next tutorial.